Today, let's brew up a recipe for crafting a compelling brand narrative, just like savoring your favorite coffee. Picture this: you walk into a coffee shop, and there's a delightful aroma in the air. That's your brand's beginning, setting the stage for your audience. Now, who's the hero of our coffee shop story? It's your brand embarking on a journey to create the perfect brew. Or it could be your customers seeking that perfect cup of coffee. Imagine a customer walks in, orders your coffee, and with each sip, experiences a flavorful journey. That's our protagonist facing a delightful challenge, the search for the perfect cup. But no story is complete without a little twist. Conflict arrives. Maybe it's a tough competition in the coffee world. Our protagonist, your brand or customer, faces the challenge of standing out among the coffee giants. The tension builds. Yet, here comes the resolution. Your coffee stands out with its unique flavor, bringing satisfaction to the customer's taste buds. The journey was worth it, and your brand's value proposition shines. So, just like a great cup of coffee, craft a story that captivates, engages, and leaves a lasting impression. Crafting a compelling brand narrative, it's like brewing magic in a cup. Follow for more.